Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 7, we can put into 4 plus 3. This one, that is about identity. So we can put into x plus 2 to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x plus 2 equals to the square root of number 3 times t. Because if I put this one go in here, we got 3 times t square, number 3, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, we simplify the square root and dx. We do first derivative for the both sides, so we have dx equals to the square root of number 3 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one go in here. Dx we change by this one. This one we have 3 times t square. Number 3, we can do about factorization. And this one we change secant of t square. The square root of number 3 secant of t square, we have the square root of number 3 and secant of t. We simplify, so we just have only secant of t dt. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c. About t in here, we have this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 3. So we have t equals to arctan of this one. So I need to put this one to replace for t. Next, we know that tan with arctan, we have this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.